Okay, proceeding further, we come to the second type of measurement of angle, and that is known as radian. Angle is measured in terms of degrees, okay, and the other measurement is radians. Angle is also measured in terms of radians. Now, what is radian? Okay, now see, this is the circle. This is a circle. In this circle, radius is suppose r. Okay, now from this point, suppose this is center O, this is the point A on the circumference of the circle. Now from this point A, we take the curve in such a way, we come to this point B, and this point B is such a way that this arc is also having the length r, which is equal to radius of the circle. Okay, means radius of circle is r, and from A we start moving, we can say, in the circular path. Okay, in the circular path, and we stop at point B, and from A to B in the circular path, means this arc is having length r. Join this, then here the angle formed is called 1 radian. It is denoted as 1 to the power c. C is given because radians, this is this is one of the measurement of angle, and it comes into circular measurements. Okay, that's why. Now see, what is 1 radian? 1 radian is the angle formed by an arc of a circle at the center of circle. 1 radian is the angle formed by an arc of a circle at the center of circle if length of arc is equal to radius of circle. If length of arc is equal to radius of circle. The length of arc and the radius of circle both are one and the same. In that case, the angle formed at the center is 1 radian. The angle formed at the center is 1 radian. Okay, now in an NCERT textbook, this is given to be the circle of radius 1 unit, and the length of arc is also taken as 1 unit. Okay, this is the general definition. In that case, it is given to you in case of particular case for सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 1 यूनिट. नो डाउट बोथ डेफिनेशन आर करेक्ट, क्योंकि अगर हम रेडियस 1 यूनिट लेंगे तो ये जो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क है ये भी 1 होना चाहिए. अगर हम रेडियस 2 यूनिट्स ले रहे हैं तो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क भी 2 यूनिट्स होना चाहिए. अगर हम रेडियस 3 यूनिट्स ले रहे हैं तो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क भी कितना होना चाहिए? इट शुड बी 3 यूनिट्स एंड सो ऑन. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ इफ यू कंसिडर दिस टू बी अ सर्कल, okay, this is radius r, and suppose you have this. Now see, you are having radius r. Radius r is the radius of circle, and a and b are the points on the circumference of circle in such a way that length of arc AB is L. Length of arc AB is L. Now this arc AB is forming angle theta. This arc AB is forming angle theta at the center. Then there is a relation between L, R and theta. What will be this relation? Now see, please see, angle at center and length of arc. Angle at center and length of arc. If angle at center is 1 radian, then length of arc is r. See this, angle at center is 1 radian, length of arc, and if angle is theta, then length of arc is L. For theta, the length of arc is L. Okay, this gives you 1 by theta, it is equal to r upon L. Therefore L is equal to r theta. This is the relation between length of arc, radius of circle, and angle formed by the length at the center of the circle. Okay, L is equal to r theta. Okay, here theta is measured in radians. Here theta is measured in radians. Compulsory theta will be measured in radians. Okay, so this is the relation between length of arc, radius of circle, and angle formed by the length, angle formed by the arc at the center of the circle. Okay, one more thing now, if you consider this L is equal to r theta, okay, if we take length to be 2 pi r, it means complete circle. लेंथ हमने 2 pi r ले लिया, मतलब पूरा सर्कल हो गया. ओके, इन दैट केस क्लियरली थीटा विल बी 360 डिग्री. Okay, now see, putting values here, what you get? You get L is 2 pi r. Okay, this is equal to r into 360 degree. Now your question will be, sir, here we have written that theta should be measured in radians. I know that. Okay, this r and r get cancelled. Therefore, what you get? 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. This is the relation between radian measurement and degree measurement. This can be better written in this way: pi is equal to 180 degree. Okay, pi is equal to 180 degree. So this is the relation between degree and radian measurement of angle. Okay, this is the relation between degree and radian measurement of the angle. Pi radians, it is equal to 180 degree. Pi radians, it is equal to 180 degree. Now, one thing, please note it down. In case of degree measurement, you have to clearly give this symbol of degree. The symbol for the degree should be given. Okay, it is compulsory to give the symbol of degree if your angle is measured in terms of degree. Whereas in case of radians, if you don't give this symbol C, it will do. Okay, रेडियन के केस में अगर आपने सिंबल नहीं भी पुटअप किया तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन डिग्री के केस में सिंबल पुटअप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, क्लियर? सपोज योर आंसर कमिंग इज अप टू 30 डिग्री. किसी एक पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम में आपका आंसर 30 डिग्री आ रहा है, ठीक है, तो आंसर में आपका 30 डिग्री होना चाहिए, डिग्री का सिंबल होना चाहिए. अगर ये सिंबल मिसिंग है तो आंसर वुड बी कंसिडर्ड एज 30 रेडियंस. तो वहाँ पे एग्जामिनर आपकी हाफ मार्क रिड्यूस कर सकता है. हाफ मार्क मे बी रिड्यूस फॉर दैट. ओके, क्लियर? Please note it down.